You know that feeling when you're staring at your screen and you've read the same sentence 3 times, but nothing's sticking? Or when someone asks you a simple question and your mind just goes blank, like you're searching through a filing cabinet with all the drawers stuck. That foggy, slow, disconnected feeling isn't just you being tired. It's not something you have to accept as normal. And here's what most people don't realize. Your brain is actually trying to tell you something important. Let's talk about what's really happening up there. Your brain uses about 20% of your body's total energy, which is wild when you think about how small it is compared to the rest of you. When you experience brain fog, it's often because your neurons are literally running out of fuel, or they're swimming in a soup of stress chemicals that weren't meant to stick around all day. Think of your brain like a high-performance engine. It needs clean fuel, regular maintenance, and the right conditions to run smoothly. When you're sleep-deprived, chronically stressed, or eating foods that spike your blood sugar and then crash it, you're basically trying to run that engine on contaminated gas while the warning lights are flashing. There's also something called cognitive load, which is just a fancy way of saying your brain has too many browser tabs open at once. Every unfinished task, every worry about the future, every notification pulling your attention creates what neuroscientists call background noise in your neural networks. This noise makes it harder for the signals you actually care about to get through clearly. It's like trying to have a conversation at a concert. The music isn't bad, but it's drowning out what matters in that moment. So what can you actually do about this? Start with what I call the clarity reset. First thing in the morning, before you check your phone or dive into your day, give your brain 10 minutes of single focus activity. This could be a short walk where you actually notice what's around you, or journaling 3 thoughts onto paper, or even just sitting with your coffee and doing nothing else. No podcast, no scrolling, just you and one simple thing. This teaches your brain what focused attention feels like again. It's like reminding your muscles how to move after sitting too long. Next, pay attention to your blood sugar because this is huge and most people miss it. When you start your day with sugar or refined carbs, your blood sugar spikes fast and then crashes hard. And that crash feels exactly like brain fog. Try starting with protein and healthy fats instead. Eggs, Greek yogurt, nuts. Something that gives your brain steady fuel instead of a roller coaster ride. You'll notice the difference in your clarity within days. And here's the thing about stress chemicals. They're meant to help you escape danger, not to be your baseline state. If you're constantly in fight or flight mode, your prefrontal cortex, the part of your brain responsible for clear thinking and decision-making, literally gets less blood flow. It goes offline because your body thinks you need to run from a tiger, not solve a work problem. Build in micro breaks where you take 6 deep breaths or step outside for 2 minutes. These tiny pattern interrupts tell your nervous system that you're safe. And when you're safe, your thinking brain comes back online. Your brain wasn't designed to feel foggy and slow. Clarity is your natural state when you give your nervous system what it actually needs. So close some of those tabs, fuel yourself properly, and watch how quickly your mind clears. Thanks for watching Your Brain Tabs, where we help you understand and optimize the way you think.